Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Good Boy. Sorry for late. Today we describe another daily combo and daily riddle. আজকে একটু লেট হওয়ার জন্য সকলের কাছে আন্তরিক ক্ষমা প্রার্থনা করছি। আজকে ডেইলি রিডলটি হলো মোল, MOLE, মোল। Complete. Today daily combo is first business venture. This is the first card, Regate Lottery. Let's go. This is the second card, Insider Trading Network. Influence and power. Third card is influence and power, Kepto Whale. This is the third card. Look, our daily combo is completed. Thank you everyone for support me. Please everyone support me and share my video for more information. More information check daily description, video description. Thank you everyone.